Hi everyone, it's Patrick from Dusty Trails doing some preventive maintenance on my 6.2 Vortec Yukon Denali, changing the plugs and spark plugs, and look what I found in the number 7 position. This is an example of don't allow your plugs to get this bad. Probably original equipment. So there'll be a fresh new plug in there. And then I also discovered the beauty of these little doohickeys. We've all done the hold the end of this extension and spin it, and I've had this in my toolbox, and I said I finally figured out what those are for, and it's so you can finger ratchet. What do you know?